Hi guys, Nigel here, Nigel's Modelling Bench. Just come in from the garage, so I'm scruffy. Made another video today on the Land Rover channel, part 4A, which is getting all that diff in and shimming it and everything. Very quick video here, probably less than 5 minutes. I want to ask a question, and I'm considering making a pretty major purchase as far as the kit world goes, and I've only just realised today through the magic of YouTube and stuff that my favourite model supplier, Antics, has taken stock of a brand new kit which is quite large and quite expensive. I'm just really asking you the question, what do you think? Shall I or shan't I? It's a subject that I've always been interested in. I've had a fascination with it on and off for many years. And I remember going to Weymouth and seeing the special exhibition they had down there with the massive model there. It was incredible. There's a model there of as she lays now, you know, broken in two. And what I'm talking about is obviously this. Now, this is a folder here, and it's got a load of, as you can see on there, it's got a load of original documents or copies of original documents appertaining to the ship, and this is like as new. I've never even looked inside it. And then of course I've got this one which I had to buy, which is the Cameron's book. As you can see, spine is unbroken and in perfect condition. And then this one, this is the big one. I don't know if you can get this anymore, I don't even know when this book came out, but this is the extra, and this has got everything in it. You can read that on the back there. Okay, you can pause it and read that, and that is basically what it's all about. And if you are interested, there's the ISBN there. So yeah, it's this is really quite a book. Again, unbroken spine. I tend to look after my books very well, but this I can just turn around and show you. It's basically it's all newspaper clippings, photographs. You know, you can see it's brilliant. I don't want to open it up because I don't want to break the spine, but there's some great stuff in there. Shall I do it, guys? If I do, there'll be a full review, and I will build it on and off because it's going to be a proper mojo breaker. What do you reckon? Let me know.